This week our letter is letter D, and D makes the sound t, t, t. And when you write capital D, you go down to the ground, take a break, and then you go back to the top and make a half of a circle. And then lowercase d is a doorknob and then a door. So your child can choose an option for capital D and an option for lowercase d, or they can come up with their own activity, and you can just take a picture and send it to me through Dojo. So our options are dotting capital D or lowercase d. So they can just use paint and their fingertip or a Q-tip and just use dots to make capital D or lowercase d. They can write in Play-Doh. So if you just flatten a piece of Play-Doh out, they can use the tip of a pencil or a toothpick or even their fingernail. And they can write capital D or lowercase d in Play-Doh. Just remember, have them do it a few times to get some repetition. And then they could form a list of letter D words. So like I said a couple weeks ago, since we're towards the end and we're really working a lot on sounds right now, have them try to think of words that start with letter D. And then our last option is always our handwriting page.